We start with some standard notations regarding inequalities. We have a notation for A is less than B, a notation for A is less than or equal to B, A is greater than B, A is greater than or equal to B, and finally A is not equal to B. An inequality is a statement involving one of the following signs: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal. A solution of an inequality is a real number that makes the statement true when the variable is replaced by that number. Solving an inequality means finding all the solutions of the inequality. So, as an example, consider the inequality 3x minus 5 is less than 7. Then x is equal to 2 is a solution, since 3 times 2 minus 5 is 6 minus 5 is 1, and 1 is less than 7. But x is 5 is not a solution, since 3 times 5 minus 5 is 15 minus 5 is 10, and 10 is not less than 7. An expression like 3 is less than or equal to x is less than 5 is a combination of two inequalities. It means that two inequalities must be satisfied at the same time. 3 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 5. Inequalities can be written in different ways. 3 is less than 5 can be written as 5 is greater than 3. 2 is greater than or equal to x can be written as x is less than or equal to 2. When solving inequalities, we will frequently write our solution in interval notation. There are 8 different intervals. For example, the interval AB is the set of all numbers x such that A is less than x is less than B. Here are the other 3 intervals related to the two numbers A and B. Then we also have interval notations involving the infinity sign. For example, A is less than x becomes the interval A infinity. And here are the other 3 intervals, including infinity signs. Some remarks regarding interval notation. In interval notation, the smallest number is on the left and the largest number is on the right. A rounded bracket indicates that the endpoint is not included. A square bracket indicates the endpoint is included in the interval. And finally, we always use a round bracket with infinity or negative infinity, as they are not real numbers. The rules of inequalities are very similar to the rules of equations, with one big difference. When multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality symbol. So less than becomes greater than, less than or equal becomes greater than or equal, etc. So here are the rules of inequalities, where A, B, and C are real numbers. The first one is again not so important for us, but the second, third, and fourth are very important. The second one tells us that we can add or subtract the same number from both sides of an inequality. The third rule says that we can divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a positive number without changing the inequality symbol. Rule 4 says that if we divide or multiply an inequality by a negative number, then we need to reverse the inequality sign. And similar rules are true for the other inequality signs.